kebaikanmu bisa menciptakan banyak kebaikan.
Hai kakek, sini aku bantuin nyebrang ya. Ada sampah. Di sini nih tempatnya.
So let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine. With you, with you, with you. I got my head out this song.
96.2 FM Pradua dari Makassar, teman terbaik kamu. Dan selamat sore teman Pradua, saatnya Ihsan akan menemani kalian semua di sore ceria. And now, biasanya aku sendirian, tapi kali ini biasanya juga aku ketemu sama teman-teman dari artis-artis dari Indonesia, penyanyi-penyanyi dari Indonesia. Tapi the special for today, aku ketemu dengan penyanyi dan juga di bawah sekalian dengan bandnya gitu ya. Dari Amerika teman Pradua ya, dari United States of America. Ada siapa lagi kalau bukan ada Ashley Campbell. Hi, and the band pastinya. Oh, luar biasa. And then of course for today we're going to talk with Ashley and the band, and then we can talk about country music. Mungkin di Indonesia, maybe in Indonesia udah banyak banget yang tahu tentang country music. There's no about country music. Yang tahu aja mungkin pop music or jazz music or anything else. Tapi kalau country is like not really familiar in Indonesia. And then we're gonna talk with Ashley because in United States of America atau in Amerika itu musik country itu sangat really popular, you know. Dan untuk kamu semua nih teman Pradua yang pengen nanya-nanya sama Ashley langsung, pengen nanya boleh langsung aja lewat WA kita di 0811410968 atau di DM Instagram kita juga boleh di @pradua_maks, dan juga kita sekarang live dari RRI Makassar dari YouTube di teman Pradua. Oke deh. Dan first I'm little bit nervous because I meet you. And then because I show you before in Instagram, and then I'm really a little bit, my heartbeat it's like a tum 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 tum. Okay, how are you Ashley? I'm good. Yeah, apa? Apa kariba? Wih, siapa yang ngajarin nih apa kariba nih? Baji-baji ji. Baji-baji. Okay. And then the band, how are you guys?
Oh, we're great.
Great.
You're also baji-baji.
Baji-baji, also baji-baji. Okay deh. And then Ashley is the first time to come Indonesia?
It is, yes.
Yeah, Makassar house?
Yeah, first time in Makassar, first time in Jakarta.
And how's Makassar?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes,
Oh.
we like being on the water.
So you come to the beach?
We walked around the beach yesterday. We saw the new mosque with the 99 domes. It was beautiful, just beautiful. And we tried pisang epe.
Pisang epe.
Yeah.
Oh, you ate pisang epe on the street?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So kayaknya mereka udah banyak banget ya jalan-jalan di Makassar, udah makan pisang epe juga nih guys ya ternyata. And then Ashley, as we know that Ashley is a country singer, and then she's a songwriter too, and then she has a band, and there's Thor for the guitars one, and then Ellie Bishop from playing viola.
Yeah.
Can you try the viola? Oh my God, amazing! And then there's James Sylvian in the bass. Hi James. Can you? Whoa! And then Christopher from by the drum. Wih. And then pastinya ada Ashley yang playing banjo and a singer. And then if you want to talk about the country music, why Ashley choose a country music to maybe to choose to make you an artist, and then you choose country music to play in your career?
I grew up in country music.
Really?
My father was a country music singer, and so it was what I grew up listening to, and I just have always loved it. And it's just kind of when I started writing songs, that's the kind of song I started writing just naturally.
So your father teach you to play country music or like a singing gitu?
Yes, I learned from watching him and listening to him. Yeah.
You start to know country music start from your age maybe?
Since I was born.
Since you're born, was born ya. Jadi dia katanya nih teman perdua ya, dia ini sudah lahir dengan musik country gitu ya. Dan juga ini katanya pertama kali dikenalin sama ayahnya, her father itu yang kenalin musik country ini teman perdua. Yang pengen nanya kita langsung aja gabung di 0811410968 dan juga di @pradua_maks ya. And then you playing banjo.
Yes.
Yes. How you can play banjo?
So I was at university and I was in acting.
Oh,
doing
really?
The theater.
Yes.
And they needed someone to play banjo in one of the productions, one of the plays, and so they asked me to learn it. I didn't play it before then, and so I learned after that, and then it became kind of my whole world.
Wow, jadi baru aja gitu ya, dia baru aja belajar banjo dan juga you played banjo and you bring in your music like that. Gitu teman perdua. Nah, kita bakalan tungguin kamu semua nih teman perdua untuk bisa bergabung, tapi kita tahan dulu ya. We listening the song before ya, first from the radio. Jadi untuk kalian semua kita tungguin juga untuk bisa bergabung. So don't go anywhere and keep running on 96 FM Pradua RRI Makassar, teman terbaik kamu.
Done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do 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 do, but do you do do do, but do you want to come on? Scooch on over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.
Yes, and then you still listening Nancy's Bonek FM Pro 2 RRI Makassar, teman terbaik kamu. And then masih ada Ashley and the band.
Hello.
Then Ashley, all your fan in Indonesia now send your message and she want to know, ada Enggi, katanya she want to know, can you tell to our listeners today how's about story of your music career from the beginning, katanya. Oh.
It's a long story.
Mm.
Well,
Start from your was born.
Yeah, my dad played country music, so I grew up, standing on the side of the stage, watching him, listening to him play, being exposed to Willie Nelson, Dolly Parton, everyone, all the classic stuff. So that's why I like classic country. Yeah. And do you want me to keep talking, or do you want to translate? Or
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I started playing banjo at university, where I was a theater major. So instead of becoming, an actor, I started playing banjo and became a musician and toured with my father. And then I moved to Nashville and started writing music.
And then you meet the band.
And I met the band in Nashville. And now we.
So Nashville is some city to meet your band.
Yeah, they call it Music City.
Music City.
Yes.
Nashville is a music city in
It is.
States America.
Yeah. It's country music specifically. It's
Okay.
famous for.
Okay. And then how can you meet all the band members you meet in the Nashville? And then untuk teman Pro 2 juga katanya nih si Ashley ini dia mulai karir karena memang ayahnya adalah seorang pemain musik juga, khususnya untuk musik-musik klasik ya. Dan juga katanya dia ketemu dengan bandnya itu di Nashville, Amerika Serikat. Dan katanya di Nashville itu bisa dikatakan adalah kota yang mempertemukan di Ashley dan juga ada bandnya, dan country city katanya. Wah, luar biasa tuh Nashville ya. Dan untuk kamu nih teman Pro 2 juga yang masih pengen gabung, kita tunggu di @pro2maks, atau mungkin yang pengen gabung di DM Instagram kita tungguin semua. And then we going to Nunu, your fan maybe. And first she want to know she know you are a songwriter too, and then she want to know about your inspiration to making a song katanya.
Oh, it comes from everywhere. It comes from stories I've heard, stories from my life, story from a friend. But I try to tell a story when I write a song, and I try to be as honest as possible. So vulnerable and honest is what I try to be.
You ever have one song maybe it's one of your memorable song, like what call it?
It's called Remembering.
Remembering is your song, and it's inspiration from your.
It's from I wrote it about my father.
You wrote it from your father.
My father he lost his memory. He got Alzheimer's disease. So I wrote it about him.
Oh my god. Oke, so Ashley ini katanya punya lagu andalan gitu yang dia buat gitu untuk ayahnya, karena katanya dia juga terinspirasi dari ayahnya yang maybe dia kehilangan ingatan gitu ya, dan pastinya membuat dia untuk terinspirasi membuat lagu gitu. And then the differences between country music and maybe pop music or jazz music. I saw you in Postmodern Jukebox to sing like a jazz featuring country music, and then it's a good one. And then how's the difference between country and maybe jazz or pop, Ashley?
Well, country music is a mix of influences. So it's influenced by jazz, and pop is influenced by country. And country, as we know it now, was influenced by pop music from a long time ago. So it's all kind of there, it's all intrinsic. So that's why I love to sing country and play, but I also love to play jazz. It's all kind of just a mixture.
Can we know and all the listeners know about the difference, like you sing a country and then you sing a pop or a jazz maybe?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Like there's country music is heavily influenced by swing. So like jazz swing. So there's just like I go out walking out after midnight, out in the moonlight. But then there's also swing, coucou les beaux soleils brillent, coucou les beaux. So it's kind of similar but different. Country's a little more simple usually. How would you guys? Anyone want to chime in?
Yeah, maybe Thor, maybe.
Yeah, sure. I mean, it's usually more based on the harmony of things than the song itself. The first song she just sang, "Walking After Midnight," very very
Patsy
simple.
Cline,
Yeah.
Out after midnight, out in the moonlight, just hoping you may be somewhere walking. Out after midnight, searching for you.
But then something like even San Antonio Rose is a little bit more
It's a little
harmonically
more-
complicated.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3.
Deep within my heart lies a melody, a song of old San Antonio, where in dreams I live with a memory beneath the stars all alone.
Oke, wow, amazing. Jadi untuk kamu yang tadi pengen tahu perbedaan kalau misalnya musik country dan jazz music itu ada katanya antara di swing kayak kalau di ayun-ayun kalau bahasa Indonesianya gitu ya perbedaannya. Dan ternyata di sini teman perdua ada Thor juga, terus ada Ellie, ada James dan juga ada Christopher. Nah, can I talk with another for all the bands?
Yeah.
Thor, why you want to join with Ashley? Why you must join with Ashley?
Well, first of all, she asked me to, and she's just such a wonderful artist that I couldn't say no.
Because maybe you inspire with her father, maybe?
Thor actually didn't really.
No.
I didn't know too much about her father. I just, like a lot of people, I just enjoy playing music, and I gravitate towards the artists that whose music I like.
For the first time you play country music, or for first step maybe, or fair kiss,
sort of.
pop or jazz?
No, I sort of, like a lot of us instrumentalists, we sort of play a little bit of everything. We practice what we practice, and we gravitate towards, and we're drawn to certain musics that we like. And I like Ashley's music quite a bit. And so
And so far you play with Ashley, how great? How wonderful?
It's amazing.
Amazing.
I couldn't dream of anything better.
Thor and I like playing music together very, very much. So we actually have our own separate band, just the two of us.
Oh.
Well, we write the songs
We write the
together.
songs
Wow,
Yeah.
amazing. Wow. Kalau si Thor, you inspiring by what? Your friend or maybe your own story?
Well, sure. I've been playing the guitar for a long, long time, since I was 10 years old.
Wow.
And just, sort of made my way through different styles of music. I spent a lot of time playing jazz, and gypsy jazz. Django Reinhardt is
Oh my
is a
God.
big favorite. and blues and electric guitar and a lot of sort of classic guitar music, if you will. Country music is actually kind of new in my life, so it's been a fun exploration.
So
I love having Thor in the band because he doesn't play like someone who's played country their whole life. He brings a different flavor. to the
different.
country.
Wow, amazing. So why you very trust with Thor?
He's one of the best guitar players I've ever seen.
Oh, amazing. And then Chris, we're going to Christopher. Christopher meet Ashley in Nashville too.
Yeah, I met Ashley in Nashville through Thor, actually, because me and Thor knew each other from New York City. We both lived there for some time. He's from there. So we played a lot in New York City, and then we ended up in Nashville, Tennessee, and, you know, it just kind of happens.
You make friends.
Nashville's a small city. If you're a musician, it's very easy to meet people and.
Yeah, I saw Chris playing with. So I met Thor, and then through Thor, I met this woman named Meg Farrell, who you might have seen on Postmodern Jukebox as well, Sweet Meg. And so Chris plays with her all the time.
Oh.
So I saw Chris playing with Meg, and I said, he's a good drummer. I gotta get him in my team.
Oh, and then we moved to the Elaine. Elaine, wow. Elaine playing a viola. We call it viola? Violin, yes.
We call it fiddle in country music, but yes, an instrument.
Fiddle, violin.
Okay.
Yeah.
When first time met Ashley, she asked you to join with my band, join with my band.
We met about 10 years ago, a little outside of Nashville at a fiddle contest. They have all these
Bluegrass music contest.
And so she was playing in her contest, and I was playing my contest, and we met, and then I guess you asked me to do a gig a couple weeks later, right?
I did, yeah. It was pretty instant. Did you win?
I did, and that's one of the few contests I've won. I don't usually win.
I lost. I did not win.
That's like 1 or 2 times I've won. I don't win a lot.
He wins, so you say join in my band.
I said I want the best fiddle player.
The best player, all the Nashville.
Yeah, so we started playing together then, and have played together for 10 years now. I guess, so.
Wow.
And we've been all over the world together.
Yeah.
From Germany, Amsterdam, Spain, England, Ireland. Fun times.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And Indonesia.
Indonesia too. Okay, and then we're going to James, right?
Yep.
Right, James. James, you wearing teman berdua kamu harus tahu kalau misalnya now James ini wearing batik for today. What'd you get?
I got it in Jakarta.
Oh, Jakarta.
Yeah.
Who gets you? Give you?
He bought it.
We bought it.
You bought your own.
Cash money.
Where? Where? You buy in
There's a mall.
Mall.
That has all of the clothing stores.
Tamarind City.
Tamarind City. Okay. Cheap or pricey?
No, it wasn't bad.
No.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
I bought this is like I have 4 or 5. So.
Wow. He bought the most shirts.
Wow. And maybe next time I'll show you in some perform wearing batik.
Oh yes, you will.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
I'm
And
bringing
then-
this to Nashville, buddy.
Yes.
Everybody got batik.
Yeah. Wow. tomorrow in your show you wearing all batik?
Oh yeah.
They will. And tomorrow I bought a sarong
Sarung.
here
Yes.
in Makassar.
Ooh,
So I'm gonna
Sarung
wear.
Makassar.
Yeah.
Okay, Christopher, why you want to join with Ashley band?
So Ashley called me to do a show with her in 2019.
2019.
And
Yes.
I had to learn a ton of music for this one show. And then she called me for one other thing, and then COVID happened. And I was really scared because I didn't hear from her. I was like, oh, does she hate me? I'll try to learn the songs better. But once we started playing again, her and I have been
Called you
playing.
right back up.
Have been playing since then. I love it.
And now, how's your feel to join with Ashley?
Well, one thing that I think Ashley does really well is she lets us interpret the songs how we want to. She wants us to play like ourselves.
Yes. She
you know,
she play or she sing like what you want.
Yeah, well, you know, she writes good songs, and then she just says, play the bass how you want to play the bass, play the fiddle how you want to play. She doesn't tell us to play it exactly like the record.
I don't tell them how to do their job.
Right, and it makes it fun. I feel like if you see us perform, we're all really having fun, and that's...
I think the point of playing music with other people is that you each bring your own unique personality. And so that's what I love to see. I don't want to see people playing exactly what's on the record. I mean, some parts, yes, but like, for the most part, I just want to see everybody shine.
Wow, luar biasa. Ternyata Ashley ini baik banget nih teman berdua. Katanya dia pengen semuanya teman-temannya ini kelihatan gitu ya, bukan cuma dia aja gitu. Luar biasa. Dan for today, katanya besok mereka akan perform di Universitas Negeri Makassar nih teman berdua. Jadi untuk kamu mungkin yang pengen nonton langsung performnya ya, di YouTube kami juga sekarang boleh di teman Pro 2 ya, karena udah on juga. Dan besok langsung aja datang di jam 10 pagi ya, bener ya? Jam 10 pagi di Universitas Negeri Makassar di Jalan APP Tarani. Terus kamu bisa menonton dan juga langsung bertanya, berinteraksi bareng Ashley di sana. If you want to talk all the things about country music and then about Ashley, kamu bisa ketemu besok di State University of Makassar. Now, and now before we listen you perform pastinya for today ya, Ashley, what you want to say to teman Pro 2 in Makassar about country music? Maybe you want to tell about something like a lovely word, maybe?
A lovely word?
Lovely word about country music.
About country music?
About Indonesia.
About Indonesia, maybe? Oh, about Makassar?
Country music is the people's music. It's for people, and it's to bring people together. And it's a developed form of folk music, which we've been hearing a lot of here. Like I love hearing every country's folk music, and the folk music that we've heard, the traditional music of Indonesia, has been absolutely wonderful. And we even got to play a country song with an Indonesian band, and they put their own Indonesian spin on it, and it works. You know, it's just a beautiful way to see how we are all similar in some way.
Wow, luar biasa. Amazing. One question for Ashley. What you want to do in Indonesia or in Makassar?
Oh, well, I wish that I had time to go scuba diving. That would be amazing. But I just want to eat delicious food, eat seafood, and meet nice people like yourself.
Okay.
So I'm already doing it.
Thank you. And then we all singing together with Ashley, maybe in YouTube or in 96.8 FM Pro 2 RRI Makassar. And Ashley, you perform two songs?
Yeah.
Two songs. First, the
first song, we're gonna give a nice example of a classic Western swing country song.
Classic Western sing. Oh, wow. And then the second is?
The second, we'll do a banjo song that I wrote.
And then Ashley want to play a banjo?
Yeah.
Ya, oke deh, teman Pro 2. Langsung aja mungkin untuk hari ini, untuk kalian semua yang pengen lihat ya, langsung aja bergabung di YouTube kita di @pro2maks ya. Di sore ceria pastinya bareng Ihsan untuk hari ini. And then thanks a lot untuk kalian semua yang udah stay tune in dan Spotify FM Pro 2 dari Makassar bareng Ihsan. Aku jadinya sangat nervous dan sangat gak tahu mau ngomong apa sebenarnya, tapi akhirnya kita akan mendengarkan ya. Untuk hari ini Ashley akan perform dengan 2 lagu. Wah, luar biasa. Nah, langsung aja kita dengarkan, ini dia Ashley and the Band. what?
Oh,
The second song. Oh, second song.
Second song.
Using a banjo.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
using
amazing.
a banjo.
Okay.
It is called Carl and Ashley's Breakdown.
And check this out.
That's pretty good. All right, let's see.
Terima kasih sama-sama Isli, thank you banget for come here to come Makassar and Indonesia. Hopefully you enjoy for over tomorrow your performs for tomorrow, and maybe next time we saw you again. Hopefully.
Lovely to come back.
Lovely come back to Indonesia and especially Makassar. And then enjoy the food, enjoy the weather, then enjoy all the people in Makassar.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
kasih.
Terima kasih. Thank you Ashley and team, and then all the band. Thank you for come here, and then hopefully we meet tomorrow.
Yeah?
Yes.
You coming?
Maybe.
Maybe.
hopefully I come to your show for tomorrow. Yes.
Alright.
Thank you, Ashley.
Thanks for
Nice to meet you, and see you And I must say assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sore teman Pro 2. You say selamat sore teman Pro 2. Selamat sore teman Pro 2.
Selamat
Sore
sore
teman Pro 2.
teman Pro 2.
Yes, oh amazing. Can you say it again? Selamat sore teman Pro 2.
Selamat sore teman Pro 2.
Yeah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And selamat sore.